In this video, you will learn how to fix Instagram nickname feature not showing. Many users have noticed that there is no option to set nicknames in their direct messages. This can be frustrating, especially if you want to personalize your chats with friends. I will walk you through some simple steps to help you resolve this problem. To start fixing this problem, swipe down from the top of your device's screen. Next, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner of your screen to enter your device settings. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it. Here, you'll see all the apps installed on your device. At this point, tap on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in Instagram and hit search. Select the Instagram app from your search results. Now that you're on the Instagram app info page, scroll down a bit until you see storage. Tap on it. Here comes an important step, tap on Clear Cache. After clearing cache, tap on Clear Data. A confirmation prompt will appear, tap Delete to confirm. Now go back by pressing the back button. Scroll up and tap on Permissions. Make sure all necessary permissions are allowed for Instagram. This includes access to storage, camera, contacts, etc., as these can impact how features function within the app. Once you've ensured everything is set correctly in permissions, exit out of settings and open up your Google Play Store. Search for Instagram again and check if there's an update available. If there is one, go ahead and update it to ensure you're using the latest version with any recent bug fixes included. Finally, after updating your app, restart your device. This simple step can often resolve lingering issues by refreshing system processes. If you followed all these steps carefully, cleared cache and data, checked permissions, updated your app, and still don't see that nickname feature appearing, it may be worth reaching out to Instagram support directly or checking their help center for further assistance. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.